Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframes for dynamic animations in VN. So using keyframes in VN will allow you to create a dynamic animations by adjusting the position, scale, rotations, and other property of your video's elements over times. So it is a great way to add smooth transition, motion effects, and also animated text or images to your videos. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframes for the dynamic animations in VN. So to start, you can just open VN and import your media. And after that, you can select the element that you want to animate, such as image, text, or video clip. Let's say here I'm using a white background, and I'm going to animate something in here. I'm going to add position animations or moving an object. See here, let's say I just want to move stickers, so I'm going to add a sticker first. Let's say I'm going to just use this subscribe stickers, and I'm going to move it using keyframes. So what you need to do is just click on the elements that you want to animate, and there will be this options keyframe. I'm going to add keyframe at the start, and here you can move forward and just move the the elements. For example, I'm going to move it in here, and another keyframe will automatically add it. You can move forward again or move the playhead again and move the elements just like this. Okay, now this will be the result. So this is the position animations. Next, I'm going to show you the scale animations. So I'm going to zoom in and out using keyframe. Again, I'm going to just let's use an image now. Here I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to use this image right here, and I'm going to zoom in and out. So what you need to do is again add keyframe at the start, move forward, and here I'm going to zoom in on the second keyframe just like this. Again, I'm going to move forward and zoom in again. Okay, now last one, I'm going to zoom out. So just pinch in your screen like this. Now this is the result for the scale animation. Next, I'm going to show you the rotations animation or spinning effect. So I'm going to just add a sticker for this. I'm going to use this emoji right here, and I'm going to rotate it using keyframes. So what you need to do, again, add a keyframe at the start, and then here I'm going to just go with this and rotate the emoji little by little. Okay, just do it like this repeatedly. Okay, now the spinning effect will be created just like this. You can just repeat the steps until it rotates how you like it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.